Hey guys, welcome to Onfirerobloxscripting extras, and this is actually the first video on the extras channel. So this is the extras for the video how to make simple and easy admin commands. So in this video I'm going to go over two things. So the first thing is going to be how the admin command works, and the second thing is how to add your own admin command. So let's just go right into how it works. So you see we have a button right here, which is under the starter GUI, which we have under here. So let's talk about the fire command first. So what this does is basically it tells so like when you click the button once, it will fire a remote event that we put up here, which is in replicated storage called spawn car. We have this other script called admin only, where it checks that if your name is this, so this should be your own name or whoever you want to have the admin command, then they can press the button. If they can't, then if it's not their name, then they can't. So next thing we want to look at is the replicated storage, the remote event. So you can see it's called spawn car, and in this script we have spawn car. So those should be the same, so the script knows that those two things are connected. And after that we want to go into the server script service, where we added another script. So this script checks if the remote event that we have here called spawn car got activated, and if it does, then these lines the admin command fires. So basically what we've done is we made a Jeep and we basically cloned it in the workspace. So that's how this admin command works. So on to the second point, which is how to add your own admin command. So basically you want to do these steps. So first of all, duplicate your button. So now you got a second button, name it to your new admin command. So in this video we're going to be making the base plate disappear. So I'm going to call it this plate. Go into the replicated storage, add in a remote event, and then name it the same thing. So that would be this plate. After that, go back into this plate, go into the fire command, change spawn car into your new admin command. So in our case, that would be this plate, and then change the this plate text, which I don't know where my properties went. There it is. Go here and change the text into disappear the base plate, and then after that we want to go into the spawn command, duplicate that, and write this plate command. And then after that we want to change spawn car into this plate again. We want to change Jeep into base plate, and then we want to write workspace.baseplate, and then under here we just want to write baseplate dot can collide equals to false, baseplate dot transparency equals to 1. Wait 3 seconds, copy these two lines, add it down here, write true, and here write 0. And this actually says child added, which is not what we want. We want can collide, just like that. And that should be basically the whole script to add a new command. So we'll just go test it out. So just load in. You can see that the spawn Jeep command still works, but if we press disappear the base plate, it disappears, and after 5 seconds it reappears. So we'll just wait to respawn. There we go, we respawned, and boom, we can make it disappear. We can also spawn Jeeps in the process, which is very fun. We can, as soon as the base plate appears, we can keep on making it disappear. So that's fun. So yeah, that'll be it for this extras video. Hope you guys liked it, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share on this new channel, I guess. Bye! So what do you guys think about this new Onfirerobloxscripting extras video? Is it good? Is it bad? Tell me in the comments below. Subscribe on the left, watch videos on the right, I guess, and listen to 5 more seconds of music.